Alright, this will be the elevator at Building D. Here at some, I think like La Playa Apartments or something, I don't know the name of the complex. Here in Tempe, this is a really nice elevator for an apartment building. Let's go to 4. Go down to 1. It's pretty cool to see apartments that have big elevators. That other one I filmed was an epic fail. That one was for the parking garage. Let's get off at 4. It's gonna open up on this side, I think. Four?
3.
Oh, okay.
Are you lost?
No, I'm fine. Yeah, it's the 3rd floor.
You have a good day?
Thank you, you too. We're gonna get off at 1F. We're gonna get off at 1F because it takes you to the outside. Just a basic Schindler HT. It's just cool to find a big elevator like this in an apartment complex. My apartment complex doesn't have a big elevator like this. This door side here opens up to the outside. I was only here for a delivery, so... Okay, let's get off here. There it goes, and there's a shaft, and that's it.